Hello everyone, and welcome back to Global Chat English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Jack, hey, and I am very happy to be here with you today.
I am Julie. It is so good to see you again, Jack. How are you? I am doing great, Julie, but I am a little bit tired today.
Oh no, why tired?
Long day yesterday. Late night movie. You know me.
Haha, yes, movies always win. Okay, let's start our chat. Our topic today is our favorite ways to spend a weekend, relaxing or active, alone or with people, and why it feels good. We talk about different weekend ideas, share stories, laugh a little. Perfect for beginners, slow, clear, simple English. Ready, Julie?
Ready.
So, weekend. What do you like most on Saturday and Sunday?
Saturday morning, I sleep late. No alarm.
Lucky. I wake early. Habit.
Early bird. What do you do first?
Coffee. Sit outside. Watch birds. Quiet time.
Nice. I love quiet too. But later, after sleep.
Fair. Then what?
Breakfast with music. Pancakes sometimes.
Pancakes. Yum with syrup.
Yes, and fruit. Makes me happy.
Food makes weekend better. I make eggs. Simple.
Eggs good. Now, active or relax?
Mix. Morning walk. Then relax.
Walk. I walk in park. See people. Dogs.
Dogs. I want a dog. Borrow friend's dog sometimes.
Borrow dog? Funny idea.
Yes. Play fetch. No cleaning.
Smart. Afternoon I meet friends. Coffee shop.
Coffee shop chat. Best. Talk hours.
Hours. Time disappears.
True. You like alone time too?
Yes. Sunday alone. Read book. Nap.
Nap queen. I nap too. 20 minutes.
20 minutes magic. Wake fresh.
Fresh, yes. Sunday, I clean house.
Clean? Boring?
A little, but good feeling after.
Clean home equals calm mind.
Exactly. Then cook big meal.
Cook. What food?
Pasta or stir fry. Invite sister sometimes.
Family dinner. I miss that.
Miss family? Me too sometimes.
Yes. Weekend call mom. Long talk.
Good. Voice makes happy.
Very happy.
Weekend goal. Recharge.
Recharge, yes. Work week tired.
Tired a lot. Weekend fix.
Fix with fun. Movie night?
Yes. Popcorn. Couch. Lights off.
Cozy. Horror or comedy?
Comedy. Laugh loud. Horror. No sleep.
Haha, same. Comedy safe.
Safe weekend. Outdoor weekend.
Sometimes hike. Nature. Fresh air.
Hike. I like trail. See view.
View best. Take photos.
Photos, yes. But phone off sometimes.
Phone off. Real moment.
Real moment, good.
Beach weekend?
Beach. Summer only. Sun. Waves.
Wave sound. Relax body.
Relax total. Swim. Read under umbrella.
Umbrella book time. Perfect.
Perfect day. Rainy weekend.
Rainy equals stay home. Blanket. Tea.
Tea and blanket club.
Join me.
Always. Hey everyone. If you like this kind of easy, friendly English chat, please hit that subscribe button now. It really helps the channel grow. And turn on the bell so you never miss a new episode. Thank you so much.
Yes, subscribe please. We love seeing you here.
Okay, Back to weekend. Shopping weekend?
Sometimes clothes or food market.
Food market. Fresh fruit. Smell good.
Smell amazing. Buy too much.
Always buy too much.
Guilty. Then cook all week.
Good problem.
Volunteer weekend?
Volunteer. I did once. Help at animal shelter.
Animals. Play with dogs.
Dogs happy. Me happy.
Heart full. Good weekend.
Very good. Lazy weekend okay?
Yes. Do nothing. Feel guilty?
A little, but rest needed.
Rest is work too.
Wise words.
Weekend with family?
Yes. Visit parents. Eat mum's food.
Mom's food best.
Best in world.
Best in world.
Miss that sometimes.
Me too. Call more.
Yes. Call more.
Weekend plan this week?
Park walk. Friend lunch. Book evening.
Nice mix. Me. Clean, movie, nap.
Classic Jack.
Classic.
Weekend different for everyone.
Yes. Find what works.
What makes happy?
Happy weekend equals better week.
Better life.
This talk good.
Very good.
Takeaway. Make weekend yours. Relax, play, connect.
Yes. Small things. Big joy.
Big joy.
Thanks, Jack. Fun as always.
Thanks, Julie.
Bye, everyone. Have great weekend.
Yes. See you next time.
Bye-bye.